Welcome back to Meditation with Rene. I'm Rene. Today's session will last 10 minutes and we will focus on reducing anxiety through body scan. Find a comfortable position. If you feel comfortable, go ahead and close your eyes. If not, you can keep them open, just relaxed. We will start with bringing our awareness to our breath. We're going to go ahead and now bring our awareness to our feet. By focusing on our body and the sensations that arise, we're not held captive by our thoughts. I want you to try to bring any focus to pressure that you might have on your toes. To the bottom of your feet. To your heels. By focusing on any sensations that we have in our body, it forces us to be aware and be in the present and not in our thoughts. I myself live with anxiety, and it helps to focus on your body and not your thoughts. I want us to now move our attention to our ankles and shins. Feel any warmth. Feel your clothes, maybe your pants, touching your skin. Now I want you to bring your awareness to your knees and thighs. To the front of your thighs. Maybe the sides of your thighs. Do you feel any pressure? I also wanted to add that it's natural for thoughts to come into your mind while we're focusing on other things like the sensations in our body. It's natural. But instead of becoming entangled in our thoughts, we want to be, or we want to witness our thoughts instead of being tied up in them. Thoughts come and thoughts go. I want you to bring your awareness, your attention to your hips, to your butt, feel the contact points, maybe in your sit bones, resting on the sofa or the chair. Bringing our awareness now to our pelvic and lower waist area, back of the waist, front of the waist. Good. If you feel any discomfort, try not to pull away from it, but become more relaxed and allow it to pass itself and find comfort in it. Moving our awareness up now to our chest and upper back area, the front of the chest, the back of the chest, to the shoulders, to your biceps, elbows and forearms, to your wrists and fingers, rising back up to our neck, and remembering to not be hard on yourself or judgmental. Many thoughts come into my mind and many thoughts leave it. To your jaw, to your cheeks, to your eyes, the muscles around your eyes, to your nose, to your eyebrows, to your forehead, to the top of your head. Slowly open your eyes. Wiggle your fingers and toes. Remember not to have any expectations. This concludes our session. Thank you, and see you tomorrow.